Realme launched its new smartphone under P series in India called Realme P1 Speed, with quiet cool-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme P1 Speed 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 2000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 14 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme P1 Speed 5G sports a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.7 by 74.7 by 7.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme P1 Speed 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 20,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from October 20th, in brushed blue and textured titanium color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme P1 Speed 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.